The best way to make someone regret losing you is to say nothing. You don't chase closure, you become it. People don't miss you when you leave, they miss you when they realize no one like you is coming back. Here are 7 silent ways to make people regret losing you, without saying a single word. 1. Stay silent, but evolve loudly. Let your growth be the announcement they never expected. Disappear to upgrade. Reappear as peace. Nothing makes people regret losing you more than seeing you become everything they said you couldn't. Healing in silence is louder than any revenge. 2. Detach with grace, not anger. You don't prove your worth by staying, you prove it by letting go gracefully. Silence after betrayal is self-respect, not weakness. Walk away without explaining. Your peace explains everything. Sometimes the calmest goodbye leaves the loudest echo. 3. Focus on becoming unreachable. Be so focused on your peace that they can't even access your energy. When you become unavailable, they suddenly remember your value. Distance creates desire, silence creates respect. Not replying is sometimes the most powerful reply. 4. Let time do the talking. Time exposes what words can't. One day they'll realize losing you was their biggest mistake. Regret hits hardest when you no longer care. Let them see your absence fix what your presence couldn't. 5. Level up emotionally, not publicly. Peaceful detachment is the most powerful glow-up. Evolve so silently that they only hear about it through others. Your emotional control will haunt their memory longer than your words ever could. Winning isn't proving them wrong, it's outgrowing the need to. 6. Let karma handle what you don't. Don't wish them pain, wish them clarity. Life has a quiet way of showing people what they lost. You don't chase revenge, you let the universe balance it. The peace you kept will speak louder than the pain they caused. 7. Keep moving forward without looking back. Keep walking, regret follows those who stay behind. The right people will never need to lose you to see your value. Let go gracefully, grow quietly, and glow naturally. Because the strongest revenge is finally being happy again. They lost you, and that's on them. You healed, you evolved, and you found peace. Follow Matter of Life for more emotional wisdom and silent strength, because calmness is power.